How to fix Snapchat? Something went wrong. Please try again later. So, if you're getting a notification or if you're getting an error which says please try again later, then the first thing might be an issue is the Wi-Fi connection. So, first check your Wi-Fi connection and Wi-Fi or your cellular data, your internet connection. And after checking that, you can simply open up your settings, go for apps and notifications, and go for see all apps and open up your Snapchat, and then go for storage and cache and then tap on clear cache, and this might fix your issue. But sometimes Snapchat might be having an error with the update option. So if the app is doing something with the updates, then you might be having that kind of problem. So you need to simply wait for one day, and after waiting, on the next day your Snapchat might be running smoothly. So you need to simply go for your Play Store and then go for the search bar and search for Snapchat. And if you have an update option, write this on this open option, then you can simply tap on update and you have to update your Snapchat application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then simply uninstall the application and then you can again install it, and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.